László Trócsányi is going to speak to us about the Hungarian point of view.
Köszönöm szépen, Magyarország az...
Thank you. Hungary is in a region where there haven't been a lot of foreign fighters so far. But let's see what Hungary is doing. First of all, it's important to see that there are a lot of people arriving in Hungary. They buy flights, plane tickets there, and they want to fly to Istanbul and somewhere else. So we are in a transit zone. It's very important to make sure that we have a passenger name record system. In Europe, everybody can move around freely. These movements have to be controlled. We have to be aware of the threats. I agree with what others have said, especially the role of probation officers. Radicalization usually is strengthened behind bars. I'd like to call your attention to another phenomenon as well. This is something new. Radicalization can affect other groups as well. We have about 10-12 million Roma people living in Europe. During our EU presidency, the EU's framework strategy on Roma was a priority for us. This is a big community, 10-12 million people. They are lagging behind. Making sure that they can catch up with the rest of society is very important. After all, they too could be a target for radicalization.